Non-Oversized Quick Escape Ultimate Window Screen Installation Instructions.
Tighten security doors and window screens. Your home, your haven, tight and strong.
How to install a Titan Ultimate Quick Escape window screen featuring the Meshtec Advanced Screen System. Professional installation is required for this product. It requires knowledge of window systems, framing, local fire codes, and related installation techniques beyond the scope of this video. Never apply padlocks or any locking devices that require a key or tool to unlock to any part of the release mechanism or quick escape window screen. A quick escape model ultimate window screen will include a separate insert containing child safety information and fall prevention warnings. Be sure to provide this directly to the homeowner when you demonstrate the quick release system to the residents. Also, be sure to retain all the packaging until the ultimate window screen is successfully installed. Please contact us before returning the product. Customer service and technical support are available. Please initiate a request by submitting an email to support@uhdco.com. For best results, read the installation instructions in full and watch this video in its entirety before attempting installation. Installation typically requires 2 people. Use appropriate protective equipment, including safety glasses. The Quick Escape Ultimate Window Screen is a surface mount product that must be fastened to the framing system of the home surrounding the window. Number 9. T20 trim head bronze star drive screws are recommended as they fit within the slimline profile of the product, providing the ability to drive screws at slight angles without interfering with the final installation. Your Quick Escape window screen requires a minimum flat mounting surface of 11/16 inch around the window and clearance for the 3-inch wide by 1 5/8 inch deep frame profile. Mounting screws must be secured to a stud in the wall. Check for any obstructions around the window that may prevent a secure fit and correct them before proceeding with the install. The length of the fastener will vary, typically between 3 and 6 inches, based on the location of the mounting surface and type of window surround. Carefully remove the packaging. Lay the window face down on the removed packaging or a moving blanket to protect the window from scratching while preparing the quick release safety latch. There are 4 primary steps to installing the Quick Escape Ultimate Window Screen. Step 1. Hang the window. Step 2. Install the secondary safety latch. Step 3. Test the Quick Escape safety latch. And last, Step 4. Install snap covers and demonstrate the Quick Escape system. With a helper, position the Quick Escape window screen over the window, ensuring the mounting holes align with the desired locations. Hold it in place and confirm the window is level and square, making adjustments as needed. Drive a screw into the bottom left pre-drilled hole, leaving it a few turns loose for adjustment. Check for level, then drive a second screw into the bottom right pre-drilled hole to hold the frame in place. Continue installing all mounting screws through the remaining pre-drilled holes, tightening gradually while ensuring the window screen remains square and level. Shimming may be required to maintain proper alignment. The handle may come assembled. If so, disassemble it prior to installation. It should slide apart and the spring will need to be removed. Insert 1M 4.2 by 13 mm flat head screw into the holding channel of the secondary latch mount. Slide the flat spring into the spring channel of the latch mount, positioning it between the 2 mounting holes. Position the secondary latch mount on the lower exterior frame of the window, approximately 6 to 18 inches below the vertical Quick Escape latch. Before mounting, ensure that the homeowner can easily reach both release latches when the window is closed. Use the number 620 by 5/8 inch self-drilling panhead screws in the spring channel holes to secure the secondary latch mount to the window frame. Slide the Quick Escape latch into the holding channel of the mount. Insert the second M 4.2 by 13 mm flathead screw into the free end of the channel to lock the latch in place. Test the Quick Escape safety latch. From inside the window, push the bottom horizontal release bar and the vertical Quick Escape latch simultaneously to open the screen. Firmly close the window screen to reset both latches, to ensure the egress mechanism fully engages and resets such that the window is locked without pulling it back. Next, push both release bars again to verify that the window opens quickly and fully, with no more than about 15 pounds of pressure and no interference before the window screen swings fully open. If the safety latch or release bar do not operate properly in both regards, check that the window screen is level and square, and adjust mounting screws or shims as necessary. Now install the snap covers. Identify the long hook leg of the snap cover. Start by inserting the hook leg into the snap cover channel. Using a rubber mallet, tap the mitered edge of the snap cover until it is fully seated into the channel. Once seated, hold a wood block over the snap cover and tap along its length with the mallet to smooth out any irregularities. Repeat this process for all remaining sides. Clearly demonstrate the quick escape system to all available residents. Advise the homeowner to instruct all other residents on its operation. Provide the homeowner the option of applying the included push-push labels to the release bars and latches. And that's all there is to installing the Titan Ultimate Quick Escape Window Screen, non-oversized model, featuring the Meshtec Advanced Screen System.
Titan security doors and window screens. Your home, your haven, Titan strong.